What's this?
A.
What's this?
Doors.
What's this? D?
Doors.
The door, yeah. What's this? What's this?
And no.
N for no. What's this?
K. Cool.
K, cool. What's this?
And mommy.
M for mommy. What's this?
And no way.
N for no way. What's this?
Orange.
What's this?
Orange.
Ostrich. O, ostrich. What's this?
Pink.
Good girl. For playing. What's this?
Shine.
What's this? What letter? S? What's this?
Sun.
Good girl. What's this?
Violet.
Violin. But that's a V. V. What letter is this?
W.
W. What letter is this?
Champ.
That's xylophone. You're right. But what's this? X. Yeah, xylophone. Where's the W? Where?
W.
Yeah, where?
W.
Oh, what's this?
Oh yeah.
What's that? Train. What? Train. What letter?
Train.
Yeah, that's a train. This is T.
Train.
Yeah, what's this? What's this?
Umbrella.
That's umbrella, but that's you right here.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Good job, Mama. What is this one?
Lamp.
Yeah, a lamp.
I remember Brad saying this.
You're so smart. Okay, do your ABCs. Ready?
You, Emily, he said,
What's this?
A.
there's no doubt in
G. E.
I can't really
E?
imagine you going through like
Ouch.
Love is
What's
still a
this?
major component to marriage. That's
What's-
we all got that.
What's this?
Train. Umbrella. Red.
B.
Red.
What's this? Good job, baby. What's this?
Zippy.
Z. What's this?
Cool. Question.
Question. It's cute.
Roll.
Okay, say I love you. Say I love you.